guys, so today we're gonna take the ISF to work. I actually sold the exhaust to a local ISF owner, so the Jose exhaust got to come off. I didn't really get a chance to do a review on it, do an install on it, or even do a sound clip. Doesn't matter, you guys already know what it sounds like. Tons of YouTube videos on that, but it's coming off the cart today. My stock exhaust is still at work, so I'm gonna bring it to work, get that swapped out. I also have to bring the Mugen wheels to get the tires dismounted. All has to be loaded into my car. There it is. It's a mess. I was only able to put 3 wheels in safely, so that's fine. I'll do 3, bring it back with the tires, and then bring the last one and finish that last. Just do a quick walk around, show you guys what's left. Took the side skirts off, took the carbon fender thing off. It's really dirty. Haven't washed it for like 2 weeks. See all that dust. Alright, let's get on out of here. Alright, back home, and we just got 3 of the Mugens dismounted and the full Jose exhaust removed. I gotta clean up both because I want it presentable for the buyer and I don't want to be a terrible seller, so let me show you. I literally just have parts laying all over the garage now. Jose exhaust sold, got to be cleaned up, and I'll show you how to do that later. These also got to be cleaned up. It should be fairly easy because they're ceramic coated. Just gonna clean them up really well, take some photos for the buyer, and hopefully he buys them. I got my side skirts up here just hanging. People are wondering about these. They're literally brand new. I don't know what brand it is, but they're brand new, so I'm asking $400 for that. You know, it's a good price for a really nice modification to the car. Right now I'm kicking myself in the ass because after I put the stock exhaust back on, which has deleted cats and no muffler, it sounds so good. It sounds like a Corvette, it sounds like a Mustang, just sounds like a very beastie V8, and I fell in love with the car again, and I'm kicking myself in the ass. You know, worst comes to worst, I'll just part everything, and unless someone's serious about buying the car, they can pick it up. But for now, I really enjoy driving the car. I don't want to wake up my neighbors, but let's do some exhaust clips. That's how the cookie crumbles. Being a mega ricer today, I didn't mean to do all that. Sorry neighbors, but man, the car sounds so good. God, I don't know, man. It's gonna be sad to see it go. But like I said, everything that needs to be sold will need to be sold. So all the parts are gonna be sold first, and the cars will go last. I've decided to keep the S2000 because I don't think it's worth me selling this car right now, because it's not really that expensive and anyone can buy it. I just love that it's original, and I was able to kind of be the first to actually modify it, roll the fenders and do all the crazy stuff to it. So I kind of have an attachment to it right now. Same with the ISF. I don't know if the car was modded before, but I modded that car too. So it sounds great. I'm gonna enjoy it for a little bit more. I'm gonna go back into work and take the other tire off the Mugens so I can start cleaning this up when I get home, taking some photos, and maybe wash the car because it definitely needs a wash. But there is Cars and Coffee this weekend, so maybe I'll just take it to Cars and Coffee and we'll see how that goes. Alright, finally got the last tire off and bringing it home. I had to stuff 3 tires in here, 1 in the back and the last rim in the front. So yeah, this is why I want a 4Runner for situations like this. But I mean, thankful I have a 4-door because I can still do the same thing. It's just a lot more messier. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later on today when I get home and clean the wheels up and stuff. So that'll be fun. What up guys, just got home and it's really hot. The sun always beams into the garage whenever I get home. So as you can see, all the wheels are laid out, ready to be cleaned. I also have to clean these up, probably wipe them down by hand and try to polish them back out. Coilover is over here. I have the buyer coming in the next 30 minutes or whatever. Not gonna lie, kind of nervous because I don't know what to expect. Only reason why I say that is because he's coming from Barbados. He said he flew in Miami and he's driving up here, which is like another hour and a half. And that's just a bunch of, I don't know, man, I'm trying to figure out how he's gonna ship this back and why couldn't I just ship it to him instead? I don't know. I'm just a little nervous. So hopefully I don't get robbed or killed. Next thing I want to talk about is this. These are some spare rubber Swiss tracks that I had not installed in the garage yet. So I put 4 of them together and I'm going to put the Mugen wheels on them so it doesn't touch the floor or it doesn't have to sit in the grass, and I'm going to clean them up. I'm going to use a standard detail brush. This isn't as rough, so it's fine. And also I want to show you guys this. This is a paint mitt. You can find it at Walmart. I found this for $3. It's probably on clearance for like $2.50 now, last time I saw it. But this is really practical for cleaning your wheels. I used to use a microfiber towel, but as you can see, just put it right in and then you can clean the wheels. And even for in here, you can stick it in there and clean it up real nice. So I'll do demonstration for that on the ISF in another video, but currently that's what I'm using to clean wheels, and it really works because using a microfiber towel can be really annoying. But it's gonna be sad to see these go. They look so good. Alright, so just starting to clean up the exhaust while I wait. I just wiped it down with some all-purpose cleaner, and once we're done we're gonna go ahead and shoot it with some white diamond polish. This seems to work pretty well on bringing back the shine. This is how it looks like before, just really crusty, dusty. So I'm gonna try to bring these back to life for the buyer. Probably won't be able to restore those to 100% shine just because that's like raw metal. These are actually polished. So let's do it. 6 o'clock and this dude did not show up yet, so gonna have to text him and message him and see where the hell he's at. But in the meantime, I did clean the exhaust and I did clean the wheels, so let me show you. There you go, all the wheels cleaned and detailed. Snapped all the imperfections in the wheels for the buyer. So hopefully he can check it out. And it just sucks. I wish these wheels weren't like damaged, but honestly they're gonna happen when you drive the car, right? Some of this is not even my fault. So I'll discuss that with him. Here is the Josie exhaust. It's not super mirror. I just polished it by hand, but it looks a lot better. Look at that mirror fit. That mirror finish. So yeah, this guy's gonna be really happy with it, I think. Plus he can probably make his money back anyway if you try to sell it. So what's left of the S2000 is the hardtop, the wing, and maybe the seats. I don't know. I kind of want to keep the seats. till then, I'll catch you guys later. Thank you for those who still subscribe to me and watch my videos. Make sure you hit the like button every single time. It makes it better for my channel and my videos for new viewers to take a look at it and not be so afraid to watch or subscribe. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. More videos to come, always. Peace.